Stop installing your NVIDIA driver the wrong way. In this video, I will show you how to properly clean install your NVIDIA driver so you actually boost FPS instead of making performance worse. Most people just click update and wonder why they still get stutters, lag, and unstable frame time. But the real problem is leftover driver junk and unnecessary components running in the background. Watch till the end, hit like and subscribe, and let's fix it properly. So guys, before installing a clean NVIDIA driver, you need to stop the driver from rebuilding old shader data in the background. Here's the mistake most people make. They uninstall, reinstall, and think it's clean, but the shader system keeps regenerating outdated compiled files before the new driver is fully in place. First, open the NVIDIA Control Panel. Once it loads, look at the left side and click on Manage 3D Settings so you can access the global driver configuration. Stay inside the Global Settings tab and slowly scroll down until you find the option called Shader Cache Size. Click on it and change the setting to Disabled. This temporarily stops the driver from writing new compiled shader files while we prepare for a proper clean installation. After selecting Disabled, click Apply in the bottom right corner and wait a few seconds for the change to register. Turning this off guarantees that no additional shader data gets generated while you're clearing old files and preparing the fresh driver setup. That way, when the new driver is installed, it builds an entirely new shader database from scratch. Alright guys, even after reinstalling NVIDIA drivers, leftover shader binaries can still sit inside your system folders. And those outdated compiled files are one of the biggest reasons behind FPS drops, microstutters, and slow texture loading after a driver update. If you want a real clean start, you have to remove this old shader data manually so the GPU rebuilds everything from scratch. First, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Inside the box, type %localappdata% and press Enter. This opens the local app data directory where Windows and NVIDIA store temporary graphics performance files. Once inside, scroll down until you find the NVIDIA folder and open it. You'll see two important folders called DX Cache and GL Cache. These contain previously compiled DirectX and OpenGL shader binaries created over time by different games and driver versions. Open each folder and delete all the files inside them. If Windows asks for permission, approve it. If a few files refuse to delete because they're in use, skip those and continue. The majority is what matters. Now, while you're still inside the local app data directory, locate the folder named D3DS Cache. This is the DirectX shader cache handled by Windows itself. Right-click on D3DS Cache and delete it completely. This ensures that both driver-level and OS-level shader pipelines are fully cleared. After completing this cleanup, every piece of old shader data is removed from your system. When you launch your games again, the GPU will begin compiling fresh shaders optimized for your new driver. Now guys, this is the part you've been waiting for. The proper way to clean install your NVIDIA driver, not the click update and hope method. We're doing this the right way, so you remove every leftover profile, broken shader entry, and hidden driver junk that keeps causing FPS drops and microstutters. Open your browser and search for NVCleanstall. Download the tool and install it just like any normal application. Once installation finishes, launch NVCleanstall. As soon as it opens, it will automatically detect your NVIDIA GPU and present available driver versions. This tool gives you full control over what components get installed, which is exactly what we want for a lean, performance-focused setup. Do not manually select older drivers. Do not import driver files from your PC. Choose the latest recommended driver and let the tool download it directly so you're working with a completely fresh package. Leave the initial screen settings as default. There's nothing to tweak here. Once everything looks correct, click Next to continue. Now you'll see a long list of selectable components. We're only enabling specific things that matter for stability. First, check Disable Installer Telemetry and Advertising. This removes unnecessary tracking and ad-related components during installation, keeping the package cleaner. Next, check Perform a Clean Installation. This is critical. It removes old driver profiles, leftover registry entries, and previous configuration data that normal updates never fully clear. This alone fixes a surprising amount of instability. Now check Disable Multiplane Overlay, MPO. MPO is known to cause frame pacing issues, flickering, and stutters on many systems. Disabling it improves consistency in modern games. Then check Disable Ansel. Even if you never use NVIDIA's screenshot feature, it still injects background hooks into games. Removing it reduces unnecessary overhead. After that, enable Show Expert Tweaks so you can access advanced options. In the Expert section, check Disable Driver Telemetry Experimental. This prevents driver-level background tracking tasks that continue running after installation. Next, check Enable Message Signaled Interrupts, MSI. This improves how the GPU communicates with the CPU by using a more efficient interrupt method. It reduces latency between components and improves frame consistency. Now click Next and then choose Install. Wait for the installer properly open. Once open, choose Custom. When you install the driver using this method, it strips out GeForce Experience, Shadowplay, additional NVIDIA background services, the USB-C driver, and extra audio components that aren't required for pure gaming performance. On paper, these features sound useful. In reality, they sit in the background, launch services at startup, hook into games, and wake up CPU threads randomly. On mid-range and low-end systems especially, this creates unnecessary overhead that shows up as microstutters, FPS instability, or random frame pacing issues. Even if you never open them, they're still there, consuming resources quietly. This is exactly why this clean method performs better than the standard NVIDIA installer. Once you've confirmed all selected options are correct, click Next and allow the installation process to begin. While it's installing, don't launch other programs, don't open games, and avoid multitasking. Let the installer complete without interruption so all old remnants are fully replaced. When the process finishes, restart your PC. After reboot, your NVIDIA driver will be clean, minimal, and performance-focused. This creates the proper foundation for higher FPS, reduced stutters, and much more consistent gameplay stability. That's how you install your NVIDIA driver the right way and eliminate hidden performance killers. If you want higher FPS and smoother gameplay, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.